Good morning everyone and welcome to the class. In the previous class we have started a new chapter in civics. The name of the chapter is Urban Administration. So all of you take out your civics book and take out the chapter Urban Administration. We have discussed in the previous class that there were 4 children, Mala, Rehana, Jehangir and Sankar. These children were playing cricket in Sunday afternoon and the children were enjoying the game very much. Sankar was bowling and Rehana was batting, and the other two children, Jehangir and Mala, were the fielders. And then what happened that Sankar wanted Rehana to get Sankar wanted that anyhow she should be out, and for that purpose we have seen that Sankar has bowled a short ball, and in this process Rehana hit the ball very hard and high, and because of this what happened that the street light was broken. Now the children were very worried. They were not only worried, they were puzzled what to do because the street light was broken. Last year last week the same type of incident happened in which the window of the house of Nirmala's Mausi was broken by the children, and now this street light was broken. So children were thinking now what they are supposed to do, because when they broke the window of Nirmala's Mausi house, then at that time they had to pay the money to Nirmala Mausi so that she can replace the window. And now they are thinking that again they have to pay the money, and that money they have paid from their pocket money. So they are worried that again they have to pay the money for the replacement of this street light. And not only this, they are also puzzled because they are not knowing that these street lights belong to whom. Who is the owner of this street light? So to whom they should give money. That is why they were very puzzled. And then they go to the house of Rehana because her house was closest to that place. And when they go to Rehana's house, they told everything to Rehana's mother, and they wanted answers to their question. Then Rehana's mother said that she is also not very much aware about all these things, but she knows that these street lights are maintained by municipal corporation. And there is Yasmin Khala in the same lane. Yasmin Khala is residing, and Yasmin Khala used to work in municipal corporation. She was retired from her work just a few days back. So Rehana's mother advised them to go to Yasmin Khala's house and she will give answers to their questions. So now we see that the children went to the house of Yasmin Khala and they told all the incident to Yasmin Khala, and they asked the same questions, to whom these street lights belong, if they have to pay money then to whom they should pay money. So now Yasmin Khala tells them about municipal corporation, which is a very big organization, and these street lights are not does not belong to one person, but they belong to municipal corporation. These municipal corporation are the municipal corporation is responsible for street lights, not only street lights but other things like collection of garbage, then cleanliness in the street and in the marketplace, supply of water, control of disease. All these works are done in a city by municipal corporation. And not only this, the municipal corporation also provide the service of education, healthcare and dispensaries. All these informations were given to the children by Yasmin Khala, and Yasmin Khala also told them that there are two types of organization. One is municipal corporation, which is for the bigger cities, but if the city is smaller, then in that city municipal corporation is not there. There is municipal council. So for bigger cities, municipal corporation, and for smaller cities, municipal council is there. Okay, but the children are not their curiosity is not over. So many questions are coming in the mind of the children. Now they want to know that who takes decisions in the municipal corporation. If suppose park is to be built in the city, so at what place, at which place the park should be built? Who take the decision? These kind of decisions are taken by whom? So as the children are knowing that Yasmin Khala was working in the municipal corporation, so they are asking that Yasmin Khala was also there to take decisions. Okay, कि यास्मीन खाला जब वहाँ पे काम करती थी, आप तो क्या इस तरह के डिसीजंस आप लेती थी कि कहाँ पर पार्क बनने चाहिए? Now Yasmin Khala is replying that she was working in the accounts department. It's a very big organization, isn't it? Municipal corporation. It's a very big organization, and she was working in the accounts department. In that department, she was she used to work with pay slips only. Her work was not to take decisions. So now she is explaining the answer to the children. Okay. No, Rehana, I was working in the accounts office of the corporation. So I just worked on pay slips. Cities are usually quite large, so the municipal corporations has to make a lot of decisions, as well as to do a lot of work to keep the city clean. The work of the municipal corporation is very huge. They have to take so many decisions. The whole city, the administration of the whole city is done by municipal corporation. So they have to take so many decisions. So they have to do so many, not only decisions, but they have to do the work also. है ना? Administration is not there only to take decisions. They take decisions and then they work according to the decision. तो उनका काम बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. एक सिटी को पूरी की पूरी सिटी को एडमिनिस्टर करना, सिटी को पूरी की पूरी चलाना. इट इज़ रनिंग द सिटी. In the absence of municipal corporation, we will not be able to get the basic facilities like water supply, cleaning, then collection of garbage, electricity. Even schools and hospitals are also run by municipal corporation. So their work is so huge. the decision like where a park or a new hospital should go are usually made by the ward councillor. Now Yasmin Khala is saying that the decisions like where should be a park, where should be a hospital, these kinds of decisions are taken by ward councillor. So it's a new term. Now the children are also they also want to know what is ward councillor, and you also want to know what is ward councillor. So I am going to explain what is ward councillor. WARD, ward councillor. If you remember, ward is not a new word. We have come through this word earlier also when we were discussing rural Panchayati Raj. When we were discussing Panchayati Raj, in that we have seen that in order to election, because for the election of the members of the Gram Panchayat, what happens for the election of the members of the Gram Panchayat? The whole village is divided into smaller parts, and these smaller parts are known as ward. ठीक है, ये मैंने तुम्हें बताया था जब हम पंचायती राज पढ़ रहे थे. तो जो पंचायत के मेंबर्स होते हैं, है ना, उनका भी इलेक्शन होता है. और कैसे इलेक्शन होता है? उनके इलेक्शन के लिए पूरे गांव को, पूरे विलेज को छोटे छोटे एरियाज में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया जाता है, और हर एरिया से क्या होता है, एक पंच जो है वो चुन करके आता है. और दिस स्मॉलर एरियाज आर नोन एज वार्ड. तो सेम वार्ड, द वार्ड मीनिंग ऑफ वार्ड इज सेम हियर ऑल्सो. हियर व्हाट वी फाइंड दैट दिस द प्लेस इज सिटी. जहाँ अगर हम पंचायत के बारे में पढ़ रहे थे तो उस समय जो वार्ड थे वो क्या था, गांव का एक स्मॉलर पार्ट था. एंड नाउ it is a smaller part of city. City is divided into many smaller areas, and these smaller areas are known as ward. And from all these wards, what happened? One councillor is elected. एक वार्ड से क्या होता है, बहुत सारे कैंडिडेट्स कॉन्टेस्ट करते हैं. इलेक्शन होता है इनके लिए, है ना. दे आर इलेक्टेड बाय पीपल. सो इनका इलेक्शन होता है, एंड फॉर देयर इलेक्शन व्हाट हैपेंस दैट द होल सिटी इज डिवाइडेड इनटू स्मॉलर एरियाज, एंड इन ईच एरिया so many candidates contest the election, and the candidate who gets the most of the votes gets elected. So this is the system of ward councillor. So the city is divided into different wards, and ward councillors get elected. Okay, पूरे शहर को डिफरेंट वार्ड्स में, वार्ड्स मीन्स स्मॉलर एरियाज, ओके, उसमें डिवाइड किया जाता है. एंड फ्रॉम ईच वार्ड वन काउंसलर इज इलेक्टेड. कंटेस्ट करते हैं बहुत सारे, है ना, बहुत सारे कैंडिडेट्स उसमें खड़े होते हैं, बट जो जीतता है कौन, एक ही जीतता है जिसको सबसे ज़्यादा वोट मिलते हैं. ओके, सो दिस इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ इलेक्शन ऑफ वार्ड काउंसलर. ओके, the complicated decisions that affect the entire city are taken by groups of councillors who form committees to decide and debate issues. So these councillors, after getting elected, these councillors take decisions regarding the administration of the city. Whatever decision is taken by the municipal corporation, actually that decision are taken by these ward councillor. Okay, and how they work, they are formed in different committees. ठीक है, वार्ड काउंसलर्स अलग अलग कमिटीज़ बनाते हैं, and they work through these committees. For example, if bus stands need to be improved or a crowded marketplace needs to have its garbage cleared more regularly, or there is a nala or drain that cuts through the city that needs cleaning, etc. So all these decisions, the problems we have seen, there is a bus stand and there is need to improve this bus stand. Then the decision will be taken by the municipal corporation, and there are different committees within the corporation. There are different committees for different type of work, and that particular committee take decision regarding that work. ठीक है? So it is these committees for water, garbage collection, street lighting, etc. that decide on the work to be done. So there are different committees. एक कमिटी है गार्बेज के लिए, एक कमिटी है क्लीनिंग के लिए, एक कमिटी है वाटर सप्लाई के लिए, एक कमिटी है इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के लिए. तो व्हाट इज दिस, व्हाई दीज कमिटीज आर देयर? तो एक कमिटी, सपोज वन कमिटी इज देयर फॉर गार्बेज कलेक्शन, तो दैट कमिटी इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल ओनली फॉर गार्बेज कलेक्शन. तो क्या होगा, फोकस हो जाएगा, है ना. अगर पूरे के पूरे ऑल द वार्ड काउंसलर्स आर गिवन ऑल द वर्क regarding this administration, then the work will not be done efficiently. So in order to do the work efficiently and in a proper manner, these committees are made. And who are the members of the committee? These ward councillors. These ward councillors are the members of the committee, and different committees for different work. एक कमिटी है सैनिटेशन के लिए, एक कमिटी है वाटर सप्लाई के लिए, एक कमिटी है स्ट्रीट लाइट्स के लिए. ओके, तो नाउ द कमिटी ओनली विल डिसाइड अपने जो काम है उसके बारे में सारे डिसीजंस वो कमिटी लेगी. तो इससे क्या होता है, वर्क में एफिशिएंसी आती है, फास्ट डिसीजंस होते हैं और प्रॉपर वे में काम होता है. सो दिस इज द मेथड ऑफ वर्किंग. All these are told by Yasmin Khala. Yasmin Khala is telling how all these things are done. Okay, so everything is clear now. Now we are proceeding further. When the problem are within a ward, then the people who live in the ward can contact their councillors. For example, if there are dangerous electrical wire hanging down the lane, then the local councillor can help them get in touch with the electricity authority. So what is the system, how it is? एक तो हमने देखा कि कमिटीज़ बन गए, है ना. कमिटी जो है वो डिफरेंट काम के लिए कमिटी बन गए हैं और वो उससे रिलेटेड सारे डिसीजंस ले रहे हैं. नाउ द नेक्स्ट थिंग, ठीक है, इसमें क्या हो रहा है, एवरी वार्ड काउंसलर, हर वार्ड काउंसलर जो है वो कहाँ से आ रहा है, ही इज़ रिप्रेजेंटिंग अ पर्टिकुलर वार्ड, अ पर्टिकुलर एरिया, है ना. सपोज करो दिस इज आवर सिटी, ये हमारा सिटी है. ओके, एंड दिस सिटी हैज बीन डिवाइडेड इनटू सो मेनी वार्ड्स. ओके, दीज आर वार्ड्स, एंड फ्रॉम ईच वार्ड वन काउंसलर इज इलेक्टेड. ठीक है, ये सारे वार्ड हैं और हर वार्ड में कौन रहते हैं, पीपल लाइक यू एंड मी, है ना. तो ये जो वार्ड से जो चुन के आ रहे हैं काउंसलर, दे आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर देयर एरिया. अब मान लो इस एरिया, दिस इज द एरिया जिससे जो भी वार्ड काउंसलर इलेक्ट होके आया है, दैट वार्ड काउंसलर इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर हिज और हर एरिया. अब उस एरिया में जो कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम सपोज आता है, प्रॉब्लम ऑफ वाटर सप्लाई, प्रॉब्लम ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, a problem of garbage collection, whatever problem arise in that particular ward, then what will happen, the people of that ward, they can meet the ward councillor, और वार्ड काउंसलर को बता सकते हैं क्या प्रॉब्लम है हमारी लोकेलिटी की, एंड देन वार्ड काउंसलर विल हेल्प देम इन सॉल्विंग द प्रॉब्लम. सपोज किसी लोकेलिटी में बहुत ही हाई पावर का जो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी वायर है वो हैंग हो रहा है, वो लटक रहा है ऊपर से, है ना, टूट गया है. नाउ इट्स अ वेरी डेंजरस थिंग. तो अब क्या करेंगे लोग? व्हाट द पीपल विल डू? द पीपल ऑफ दैट लोकेलिटी अप्रोच द, they can approach the counselor, and then counselor will get it solved, get the problem solved by taking the help of electricity department. They can directly, the people can directly go to the electricity department also, and they can go to their counselor also, है ना. जब when they will go to the counselor will represent the problem of the people to the electricity department, and then through the electricity department the problem will be solved. Okay, so all the ward councillors are responsible for their area. So in this way क्या होगा? In this way there will be proper administration. जहाँ भी जो भी प्रॉब्लम आएगा उस प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने में प्रॉपरली और एफिशिएंटली काम हो पाएगा. ओके. While the councillors committee and the councillors decide on issues, the commissioner and the administrative staff implement these. So who are the decision makers? The ward councillors are decision makers. They make decisions. Okay, the committee is taking decision, and in committees there are ward councillors. After taking decision, what is important? डिसीज़न लेना तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, बट व्हाट इज़ मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट इज़ इम्प्लीमेंटेशन. जो डिसीज़न लिया गया उसको इम्प्लीमेंट करना, उसको एक्चुअली में करना, है ना. वी हैव डिसाइडेड दैट देयर मस्ट बी स्ट्रीट लाइट्स on this lane. There is no street light in a particular lane, and the ward committee of the ward councillors have decided that there must be street light in this particular lane. तो अब डिसीजन तो ले लिया वार्ड काउंसलर ने. नाउ दिस डिसीजन विल बी इम्प्लीमेंटेड बाय द स्टाफ ऑफ द म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन. And we see that while the councillors committee and the councillors decide on issues, the commissioner and the administrative staff implement these. Okay, so the administrative staffs implement these. And who is the head of this administrative staff? The head of the administrative staff is commissioner. So the commissioner is the head of the administrative staff, which is responsible for the implementation of the decisions which are taken by the committees. Okay. So we are once there is ward councillor who constitute this municipal corporation. Ward councillors are there. Then commissioner is there, who is the head of the administrative staff. Then there are staffs of municipal corporation. Okay, they are the decision maker. Decision is taken by ward councillor, and commissioner is the head of the administrative staff which implement the decisions. So how are these decisions made? Asked Rehana, who never gave up on her train of thought. Rehana is still curious. She is again asking that how the decisions are made. Well, all of the ward councillors meet and they make a budget, and the money is spent according to this. So what happens that all the ward councillors, they held their meetings, okay, and they prepare a budget and they plan according to the budget. The ward councillor try and ensure that the particular demands of their wards are placed before the entire council. Every ward councillor is representing his or her ward, है ना. She or he is responsible for the ward from which he got elected, and now it is his responsibility that whatever problem, whatever demand or problem is there of the people of their ward, that must be kept before the whole council. काउंसिल में जब मीटिंग हो रही है, जब सारी काउंसलर्स की मीटिंग हो रही है, तो उस मीटिंग में ये जो वार्ड काउंसलर्स होते हैं वो अपने अपने वार्ड के लोगों के जो प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, लोगों के जो डिमांड्स हैं, उनको पूरी काउंसिल के सामने वो प्रेजेंट करते हैं. एंड आफ्टर प्रेजेंटिंग द प्रॉब्लम, आफ्टर प्रेजेंटिंग द डिमांड ऑफ द पीपल ऑफ देयर वार्ड, द काउंसिल टेक्स डिसीजन कि हाँ कौन से काम हमें करना है. ओके, and according to this decision the budget is prepared. Okay, and then the decision which are taken is implemented. These decisions are then implemented by the administrative staffs. Okay, said Yasmin Khala, enjoying the questions that the children asked. Yasmin Khala was very much enjoying the questions which were asked by the children, because now she is a retired person, and after retirement what happens, that people want to share their experiences with other people. So what she find that no adults asked her about her job. Adult people, they are knowing everything, so they don't come to her and ask questions like this which are asked by the children. So she is enjoying the questions. No adults asked her about her job, and the children's question provided her an opportunity to relive some of her experiences. So when she is answering the questions of the children, she is actually reliving some of her experiences. I told you na कि after retirement what happens, that people want to share their work experience with people. And when these children are asking Yasmin Khala about the municipal corporation, she is very happy in sharing these all these things with the children, because she is reliving her experiences. But the city is so large, it must take a lot of people to look after it. Now we see that Shankar is asking question that we all know the city is very large, and in order to take so many decisions, and in order to implement those decisions, there is need of so many workers. So Shankar is asking, it must take a lot of people to look after it. Does the municipal corporation have a lot of workers? Now Shankar has forgotten about the match, cricket match, है ना? Asked Shankar curiously. He had by now luckily forgotten about the cricket match and his incomplete over. His game is incomplete. He wanted to get Rehana out, है ना? He was very much focused on the match, but now he is enjoying the informations which are given by Yasmin Khala, and he is asking about the number of people who work in municipal corporation. Yes, the work in the city is divided into different departments. There are different departments in the municipal corporation. So there is the water department, the garbage department, collection department, a department to look after gardens, another to look after roads. So I worked on accounts in the sanitation department. So for every work there is different departments, and in each department there is accounts section, and in one of such department, sanitation department was there in the municipal corporation, and Yasmin Khala worked in the accounts department of the sanitation department. Sanitation department का जो accounts section था, she worked in that section. So this is all for today, and now we will discuss many more things in the next class.